Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends on Bingo Blitz application. Keep watching the video till the end. To add your friends on Bingo Blitz, firstly go ahead and launch open your Bingo Blitz application. The home page of Bingo Blitz application will appear on the screen. Click on cat icon at the bottom left corner of the page. On the next page, click on Add option. Search for the person you'd like to add and tap on Go. From the search results, you can add your friends, and that's how you'll be able to add friends on Bingo Blitz account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.